Today we are reviewing Lancome Teint's Idole Ultra Wear Concealer. Lancome's Teint Idole Ultra Wear Concealer is a product that offers up to 24 hours of wear, providing full coverage and a natural matte finish. It is designed to be used for concealing imperfections and contouring the face. The concealer's full coverage formula aims to cover dark circles, blemishes, redness, and other imperfections on the skin, giving you a flawless complexion. At the same time, the natural matte finish helps to create a smooth and even looking skin texture without appearing overly shiny. For contouring purposes, this concealer can be applied strategically to create definition and enhance the natural structure of the face. It is important to choose a shade that is a couple of shades darker than your skin tone. You can also use the lighter shades to highlight the parts of your face and the medium shades to cover the blemishes, and blending it well for a seamless finish. This product offers weightless full coverage with a natural matte finish. It provides up to 24 hours of hydration while being ultra blendable, ensuring no creasing or caking. It serves as an all-in-one solution, delivering comfortable wear that is sweat resistant, non-comedogenic. Moreover, it is suitable for sensitive skin and has been thoroughly tested under dermatological control. This was review for the Lancome's Tint Idole Ultra Wear Concealer.